On May the 2nd, I did a video in which I shared with you the 5 companies that I thought would take you over the next 15 years into substantial profits as they capitalized on our move towards artificial intelligence, OpenAI, ChatGPT, Bard. This is the future when you then couple that with synthetic biology. I just watched a video by Alex. He has a channel called Ticker Symbol U. I met Alex in October of last year at a conference down in Orlando, Florida, and he is a very sharp young man. His bio says he was actually a rocket scientist from MIT before he became a YouTuber. He brought it down to 3 stocks that he thought were going to be the leaders in OpenAI, and I want to share that with you. And I want to share with you why I'm sharing another YouTuber with you, and we'll get to that right after I share that this is not financial advice.
Best of Us Investors presents Kerry Griegmeyer.
As I said, Alex has a YouTube channel called Ticker Symbol U, and he's a very sharp young man. I don't think there are many channels that would expose themselves by saying you need to watch someone else's video. I've gone into some historical data on this chart I've shown you of the resiliency of the 5 stocks that I think you should invest in as we go into this second digital revolution. Alex, though, is one who really digs deep, and he has a very good production staff, apparently, to produce his videos. So I want you to look this video up. This is the thumbnail for it, and you'll find a link to it in the description under link to TSY. I want you to watch this video because it is first rate and high quality. I want to then also emphasize that this is an investment opportunity into the future. These stocks may go down in price as we work our way through the turmoil that is going to be caused by the banking system as we get deeper into commercial debt and the potential of more banks failing. But I want you also to look back on this chart that I created that shows the resiliency of these stocks as they will probably become more focused on artificial intelligence and how it's going to dramatically change our world. I then want you to build your knowledge around synthetic biology, and I want you to read this book. I have said many times in the past week that you can get a free copy of this on Audible. If you're not currently signed up for Audible, go to the link in the description, get your free book. You get it, The Genesis Machine by Amy Webb and Andrew Hassel. With this knowledge of how synthetic biology is going to couple with artificial intelligence, you will be in a position to make a good decision to buy. As Alex says in his video, again, I want to emphasize, I'm promoting somebody else's video because it's good knowledge. It's essential knowledge if you're going to make money in the stock market in the future. Again, that link is in the description. But these 2 things are going to change the world, as the CEO of Google said, more than the discovery of fire or the discovery of the telephone. So if you understand it, you can get past where the stock market is now. You can get past that banks are going to fail and the market may go down, and Jerome Powell may raise interest rates multiple more times, or he may lower them, but that has absolutely nothing to do where this stock market is headed in the future. It is going to revolutionize our world. It is going to eliminate millions of jobs. We just had an announcement from IBM that they were going to basically shut down their HR department because it is routine tasks that artificial intelligence can do. But they then turned around and said, We are then going to have to hire other people who are going to specialize in the skills that are needed as we go into this second or third, whatever you want to call it, digital revolution. I want to just emphasize this is a pivot point. There is a bump in the road relative to banks, but this is going to put you in a position to make extraordinary profits if you're in the right position. Alex believes it's 3. I believe it's 5. I believe it's Amazon, Google, Apple, Microsoft, and NVIDIA. I believe those 5. Alex has dropped out Apple and NVIDIA. That's his choice. But he does such a extremely professional job on analyzing what Amazon is doing, what Google is doing, and what Microsoft is doing. You must watch that video. All right. I'm Kerry Grinkmeyer. I'm a retired financial advisor. My objective is to help you make better investment decisions, even if it means me pointing you to somebody else's videos. I will read the books. I will watch the videos. I will read the articles. I will share my knowledge. That's what I want to do for you. Then what I want to do is build a website where I can share with you my knowledge about estate planning, about insurance planning, about making smart investments for your children's college education. I want to answer all of your questions by using ChatGPT and Bard and a avatar to answer any question that you have. That's right. I'm going to create a website where you can go to it and say, what is a stop loss order? And a avatar will answer your question. I'm going to build a website that will answer your question. Do I need a living trust? Do I need a generation skipping trust? And an avatar using ChatGPT will answer your question. And once they've answered that question, if you've got another question, they'll answer that as well. That's where I'm investing my money to give you something that is going to capitalize on what I see coming in the future and make you a better investor. Kerry Grinkmeyer, a retired financial advisor, and I need something from you. I need you to like this video. I need you to subscribe to this video because my goal is to share my knowledge with 1 million people. If I can do that, I can then lay down in my grave and feel I've made a difference. And that's what I want to do. I'll talk to you again tomorrow.